Hey guys, I'm Lydia. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Apple Watch SE and whether or not I think it's still worth it in 2022. I'm just going to get right into it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and to like and comment. I also have a MacBook video out, so if you want to go check that out, the link will be in the description down below. I'm gonna do some of the pros and cons as well as what it's good for and how I found setting it up. What comes with it. It's gonna be a little unboxing even though I've had this for a year. I just wanna give you guys my honest input on it. Start out with, I got the Pink Sand Sport Band 40mm SE Apple Watch. I bought this specifically because I wanted to track my fitness, go for runs outside, see how many calories I'm burning, record my workouts, all of that kind of stuff, which is one of the greatest parts about it. If you're considering getting it, these are some things to keep in mind. If you like exercising, this is a great product. On it, you can set your fitness goals. It records your calories, your exercise, and how much you stand throughout the day. You can customize those yourself, and then you can also record your workouts, your friends to do challenges with them, track your steps and your heart rate. It's great to track your workouts and your progress. I found this with myself, and I know a lot of other people experience this too. Days where you don't reach all of your goals, it's kind of like, I didn't do enough today. It will give you reminders throughout the day, and sometimes the notifications are really annoying and distracting. You can turn them off and shut off notifications, but sometimes it'll like vibrate and tell you to breathe, tell you to stand if you haven't been standing enough. And that is a great aspect on days where like 3 p.m. and you've walked 200 steps and you're supposed to walk 10,000. That is a good little thing, and it's great for health. It might start to get to you a little bit. If you don't have the cellular version, you can't listen to music without your phone with you. So if you bought this for running, you're not going to be able to listen to your music unless you have the cellular version. If you're using Spotify or any of those kind of things, maybe the cellular version would be best for you if you do want to run, because it's basically the whole point is you want to be able to listen to your music without carrying your phone, and to not have that perk, it was really annoying. Also, if you buy an Apple Watch, you're probably going to end up buying AirPods if you haven't already, so consider that you're buying an Apple Watch, but you are probably going to want the AirPods with it. Honestly, if it's between the watch or the AirPods definitely make more of a difference. Some other cons about this: you're not using this to text. Regardless of what you think, you're not gonna end up using this over your phone. You're gonna feel stupid, and it's really small. Yes, you can download apps, but again, you're going to use your phones.
I also wanted to mention you can set up Apple Pay on your watch, and you can also set up all of your points cards as well.
The biggest advantage this has is to track your fitness. How much are you willing to pay to be able to track your fitness? There is an app that automatically downloads onto your phone, so you can go in and track your progress.
Within the app, it also shows you your friends' workouts, and if you click on a specific workout, it can show you how many calories you burned and what your heart rate got to, and overall just keep track of all of your progress.
And all of that, which is great, but unless you link it right away, it won't show you your past data. For the past 6 months, I thought it was tracking my progress in my phone, but I had never actually linked it. So I have no track of my progress on my phone, although it does go, if you click on it, it will show you your weekly summary of if you've reached your goal or not that week. Okay, let's talk about the battery life. Battery on the Apple Watch SE is really good. This can last me 2 to 3 days of wearing it without charge. I'm not using it to text. I'm strictly tracking my workouts and just leaving it off throughout the day, and it's just tracking my steps. So that's how long it can last you if you're not continuously using it. Another pro is it is good for safety. If you get into a car accident, this was another huge reason why I wanted to get this. It is a really great safety feature to have. You are able to track your sleep on here. I have never done that. I don't know how. I did struggle a lot setting this up. I don't know how great it is. I know this is a white strap. I actually got a pink band when I got this. And so when you buy the rose gold and the pink band, color here on the side changes with each one. So the white one is the silver and then the black is the black. I didn't realize that when I bought this. I should have looked more into it. I wish I would have just gotten the silver or the black, because when you change the strap on the rose gold, it doesn't blend as nicely. And just in general, I'm just gonna come out here and say it, they are ugly. They might be cute like working out, but with everyday outfits and when people dress up and wear their Apple Watch, unless you have like a cute band on it, but like this rubber plasticky band is not cute. So I'm gonna talk about what comes in it. You're gonna open it up, take your watch out. You have to put on the strap, which putting and taking off the strap is really easy, but I can show you guys here. So on the back here, you just press down and it slides right out. And then if you want to put it right back in, it just slides in and then it snaps. I've never had an issue with it falling off, and there are 2 different sizes. There's a smaller size and a larger size for your wrist, so you don't need to worry about it fitting you, it will fit you. Then it comes with this type of charger. It's a magnetic charger, so it just sticks onto the back of your watch. There is Siri on here, which is great, and it also shows you the weather, which is another great feature. You're able to change your watch face on the app, and you can customize it. If you wanted a photo of you and your friend, whatever, just a custom one like this. There's a bunch of different fitness ones or just the time. A couple last things I want to mention is if you buy this, I would recommend getting a screen protector. It does tend to scratch. I've had this for a while and it's not bad, but I don't have a screen protector on it, and you can see it does have a bunch of scratches on it. Another thing I forgot to mention, I know there are later versions that have a couple more features. I'm not saying the Apple SE is any worse or better than any of the others. I'm just talking about the Apple Watch in general. The different models I don't think are going to make a major difference that you're going to actually want to be using.
At the end of the day, they're going to have pretty much the exact same function in your everyday life. It's just the price difference.
Okay, you guys, I hope you found this helpful. I'm not saying an Apple Watch is like terrible if you really do like fitness. It is great. It does work really well. I don't feel like the benefit is as great as it could be. I did really love it at first, but now I don't find myself reaching for it as much. Sometimes I just feel like there's no purpose. I don't think it's worth it for all the additional things you're gonna need to buy for it. Screen protector, you might end up buying the warranty for it. You're probably gonna want AirPods, like I said. You might say you don't want to, but you're going to. They're gonna end up spending a lot more money on it, and you're not going to get much out of it that you can get for either cheaper. Anyways, let me know in the comments down below if you have one and what your thoughts are on it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.